there is one video that I enjoy most. Is the bat back pa 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 pa. Bat back pa pa pa. Shoot. Bat back pa 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 pa. You know about backpack lol. Now the whole thing from Minecraft is animated. It was out when you were on hiatus. It's called
I think I know what you mean. So there was a one time I was playing Minecraft with Zen and Mouse, and there was a bat papa shit bat papa the bat papa. We found bat papa shit bat back this one. We found this one bat papa. And I still can't say it. Bat papa. I still can't say it. Yeah, we can watch that. Let's go. Here it is. It's from Newbie is Pro. Amazing animation as always.
You see me?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's a bat papa. Bat papa. Bat papa. Shut papa. Bat. This one.
Close enough.
Bad. Yeah, ba.
So close. So close.
I can't. Bat papa. Shit. Bat papa. Yedayo. I can't. I still can't. Bat papa. Bat backpack. Bat backpack. Shut. I can't. It's impossible. Just like a purple burglar.
Huh?
Purple burglar alert. And I can't say that too. Purple burglar. just like that. Purple burglar. See? There's number 2 I can't say. Bat papa. Purple burglar alarm is yeah, purple burglar alarm. Even slowly I'm having a hard time. Purple burglar alarm. And bat papa. It's hard, Dale. It's so difficult, Dale. Yeah, there's some few words that I can't say it. How do you say bat.